Hey everyone, very good evening. Am I audible to you all? Can I have confirmation from your end that I'm clearly audible? You guys are able to hear me. Give me reaction so I know that yes, you can see me live. Then we can start with the session. So just give me any type of reaction confirmation that I'm clearly audible to you. Hi, all. Very good evening on behalf of whole LeDroit India team. My name is Ria Chabra, and I'll be your host for the evening. So, before we start with the session, a very warm welcome aboard to the interns who have joined LeDroit India 1 month legal internship. This particular session is going to give you throughout understanding of what are the tasks you'll be doing in internship with us, what type of things you'll be learning throughout this 1 month internship. So make sure you're very much interactive during the session. Whatever doubts you have with regard to your internship period, make sure you are asking all your questions in the chat box. Okay, I'll be taking you through in detail discussion on what are the tasks you'll be assigned, how the tasks will be assigned to you. A proper internship coordinator will be there in the group who is going to help you with your tasks. All right. So before I proceed ahead, please let me know from where you are joining and what you are doing currently. Do let me know in the chat box, okay, what you are doing and from where you are joining. Then we'll start ahead. All right, so I'm waiting for your updates, like which year you are in currently, because this internship is mainly for freshers who are currently in law school. So whether you are in first year, second year, third year, fourth year, whichever year you are in, do let me know in the chat box. All right, I believe that you have to subscribe in order to comment, so then only your comments will be visible to us. So yeah, do let me know. All right. Okay, let me just check with the things. I hope that you all have joined the internship group, because over there you'll be updated about your tasks. So it's very important that you are constantly active in the group. You're checking the messages in the group, because all your internship tasks will be assigned in the group itself. If any one of you is not there in the group, I'll reshare the link with you so you can join that group. Okay. All right. So okay, we have professionals as well over here. All right. You are from NLU Assam. One student is from final year, law student Hyderabad. Okay, do let me know from which year you are in. Okay, so LeDroit India internships are highly helpful. For sure, you're going to learn something from us during this 1 month internship. It's going to be highly fruitful for you, because we make sure that our interns are the part of LeDroit India family and they are actually learning something from us. It is going to help you in your legal career. All right, I'll be taking you throughout how the tasks will be assigned and like how it is helpful for you in your legal career. Okay, so doing internships is a very big concern for the law students, like whether they should be start doing internship in first year, whether they should start doing internship in final year. But it is suggested throughout your legal career, do at least 2 to 3 internships. That is sufficient. Don't go unnecessary for every internship. Don't go after certificates and all. Do internships where you are actually learning something. Okay, there can be internship paid, unpaid, it doesn't matter. What matters in an internship is that you're actually learning something from it. So don't waste your time just running after senior, picking up files and all. Actually learn something. Internship can be done online, offline, and LeDroit India provides you virtual internship, that where you are going to actually learn something. All right, so I'm just sharing the link of the group. In case you are not there in this WhatsApp group, you can join the group, because in this group you'll be assigned with your daily internship tasks. The internship period is 1 month starting today, that is 26th January, till 25th February. Okay, so please remain active in the group. All your internship tasks will be assigned in this WhatsApp group. Now let me just know once my screen is visible to you, so we can directly start with this thing. All right, is my screen visible to you all? Yes, people joining now, do let me know continuously from where you are joining and which year you are in. All right. Okay, great. Do give me reactions in between so I know that yes, you are able to see the things clearly. All right. So before I proceed ahead, I would like to know how many of you did research about LeDroit India. Like, let me know if you already did research. Even in your offer letter, a brief intro about LeDroit was provided to you. So I just want to know, like, did you people actually read it? Did you actually go through the details before applying for the internship? People who are saying yes, very good, you are on the right path, because that's how you should be doing it. Many people directly apply for internships and job opportunity without even actually looking at it, where they are applying and what they can expect from that position. So always remember, whenever you apply for any job opportunity, do check about it. When you're going for an interview, read about the organization, because the employer can ask you what is your understanding about our particular organization. Okay, so to brief you out, LeDroit India is an online legal education platform. We provide online training in form of certificate courses, workshops, and webinars that are conducted self-paced and live. We also provide several legal services with regard to company registration, trademark registrations, and all. So, that was a brief about us. Now, let's understand what is this like 1 month LeDroit India training internship. So, in this particular internship, there will be several tasks assigned to you with regard to writing an article. Okay, tasks with regard to writing an article, creating a video, and all these tasks will be there, and how you'll be benefited from it. It's a 1 month unpaid internship, but the tasks that will be assigned to you will be very much helpful for you in your legal career. Okay, because we train you on how to write a legal article, we provide you topics based on your area of interest as well. So, in this particular session, I'll be taking you through proper career guidance on what you can expect in each career sector in law. Based on that, you have to choose your area of interest. Once you have selected that, we'll be assigning you tasks from your area of interest. Okay, so this internship is about training you to help you out. All right, and what are the perks? Whatever articles you're writing throughout your internship, that will be published on LeDroit's website. Due credits will be given to you, to the authors who have written the article. Proper credits will be provided to you. Towards the end of internship, you'll be provided with an experience certificate plus letter of recommendation. Okay, so if the instructions are clear, do let me know. Give me reactions. All right, so these are the things. And also throughout the internship, there will be several workshops as well, for which you'll be provided free access. All right, so these were the perks. Now, one thing is over here, that in order to receive your internship certificate and letter of recommendation, you have to complete all the tasks that will be assigned to you. Don't worry, you'll be getting proper time to complete your article tasks and all the tasks. We give you around 3 to 4 days to complete each task. You can complete them as per your own convenience without time boundage. It's just that you have to complete it before deadline. All right, and all the details will be updated to you in the WhatsApp group. All right. Are we clear that how the tasks will be assigned? We'll be taking you through now the career aspects. And once you have clarity on the career aspects, you have to select your career of choice. How you'll be selecting it? We'll be sharing a form in the group. In that particular form, you have to select your area of interest. For example, I'll be taking you through what you can expect if you want to create your career in contracts, if you want to create your career in intellectual property rights. Okay. So, based on this, let's say your area of interest is in intellectual property rights. So, your interest area is IPR. All the internship tasks will be assigned to you from IPR area only, IPR sector. Okay. All right. Now, let's take you through a quick brief of career prospects in law to provide you better clarity, because law students mainly do not have clarity on this thing, and they just start doing internship and they get to know that you wanted to create your career in corporate sector, but the internship experience you have is of litigation. So it is very important that where you are doing internship, it should be aligning with your future goals as well. Okay, that's why we conduct this particular session where we guide you to provide you clarity what you can expect in each career, and based on that you can select your area of interest and build your career towards it. How this is helpful: first thing, let's say you want to create your career in corporate sector, and if you have got internship in litigation, that experience is not going to be counted because you did not learn anything that can help you in your career in corporate sector, right? Let's say if you started doing corporate internships from your first year itself, by the end of your final year you have got around 4 internship experiences in 4 different companies or different law firms. All are corporate experiences. But in your final year, you'll be able to apply for job position in these 4 companies as well, because you made good contacts with them, you made good colleagues over there, and there are also chances that one of the company might offer you, pre-placement offer as well. Or with this experience you can apply in some other organization, saying that you have experience of working in 4 different organizations, you have interned under 4 different companies. So this is how your internship experiences are counted. So make sure that wherever you do internship, your experience should align with your future goals. Okay. So before us, right now, there are 3 career prospects: law firm, LPO, in house counsel, and consulting firms. Now, what are the tasks you can expect in these career choices? First is law firms and LPO. The full form of LPO is legal process outsourcing. Okay. Law firms and LPO. What type of work do they provide you? So there are different type of lawyers. Basic difference is that one lawyer works in court, other lawyer works in corporate. Corporate lawyers work in company and court lawyers work in court who practice litigation, right? But if you actually get into the practical world, there is much more bifurcation in this. Every person is doing a different task over here. Corporate we say as a one word, but under this there are several sets of work which people are doing. So law firms, when you go into law firms, the type of work you can expect is, let's say that there's a company. Okay, we'll understand this in form of a story. There's a company, a person has a person wants to start a business. A person wants to start a business. How he'll be able to start a business? He'll be needing someone to guide him, right? Do let me know in the chat box that yes, you are understanding. A person wants to start a business. Now, how he'll be able to start a business? He needs someone to guide him, who can help him with the company registration, what are the steps involved in it, and everything, right? So where he'll be going? He'll be reaching out to the consulting firm. This firm will be having lawyers who have a speciality in registering a company, in filing for trademarks, in filing intellectual property rights, in doing taxation laws and everything. Okay. So he'll be reaching out to the consulting firm for the guidance. Okay, he'll be reaching out to this firm even after once the company has been established, because even after company establishment you need lawyers who can help you with audits, taxation, and company compliances as well, right? So you'll be reaching out to this particular firm. Got it? What type of work you can expect in consulting firms, where these firms help you with company registration, trademark registrations, and all. Next is, your company has been established. Now, in your organization, you again need a lawyer who can help you with the contracts that needs to be drafted. You want to run your business. How you'll be able to run your business? When you have contracts with the vendors, with your clients and everyone, right? Because that's how your business runs. You need contracts. Who will be doing this thing? You will be hiring an in-house counsel. This is a internal company lawyer that has been hired by the company to guide them with different matters. Okay, so this particular person will be trained in drafting contract, will be trained in having understanding of intellectual property rights, will also be having a little bit knowledge about litigation matters as well, having knowledge about your mergers and acquisitions and everything. So as an in-house counsel, you should be mandatorily be aware of how to draft contracts. That is very important skill. You should be aware of intellectual property rights as well, data protection laws, mergers and acquisitions, and everything, many other laws as well. Why? Because you have been hired as full-time lawyer in to guide the company. Now the company can have any requirement with them. Okay, so that's the role of in-house counsel, a lawyer who works under the company and guides the company with their day-to-day operations. Are we understanding everything so far? Okay. Now next is your law firms and LPO. Your company, the one you established, has been now sued by some other company. Let's say a company name related thing has been done, or any type of complaint has been filed against this company. Now your company will be needing an expert guidance. Let's say a taxation law related matter has arisen, because of which the lawsuit has been filed against your company. Your company will look out for law firms who have specialty in dealing with taxation related matters, right? So the matter will be taken to the law firms. This law firm will be having set of lawyers who have specialty on working in taxation related matters, on working in mergers and acquisition related matters, corporate governance, security laws, and different laws. So every law firm have a unique specialty. Some will be having specialty of dealing with criminal matters, some will be having specialty of dealing with corporate matters, and so on. Okay, so in your law firm you'll be finding the set of lawyers who have a knowledge about how to reach out to the court, how to approach the tribunals and handle the lawsuits that have been filed against the company or individuals. Okay, so that type of work you can expect in law firms. Next category is of your compliance officer, contract management, and ADR. Now in your company there are several requirements. You need a data protection officer, you need posh compliance officer, labor law officer, because there will be several category of officers who are constantly checking that your company is complying with labor laws, complying with posh laws, and several other things. Who is going to check this thing? The commercial lawyer or your compliance lawyer, compliance officer. These are the lawyers who have specialty in particular field, like in labor law. This person will be having specialty in labor law altogether. Okay, so it is mandatory for manufacturing units, for healthcare units, and several other organizations to have a mandatory compliance officer who is going to constantly, go through the, like, circle around the organization and check whether your organization is complying with the laws or not. And posh officer is very important for every organization, it is mandatory. Now, contract management, this and altogether is a unique field in corporate sector. You can find ample of job opportunities in this particular field. Why? Because every organization is working, how they are working, by using contracts. So they need people who have speciality in drafting contract, reviewing contract, and managing the contract. Managing the contract means that you have to manage end to end life cycle of a contract. When you are in law school, you just are aware of contract law, but there is, in the outer world there's an altogether a process of contract management, where you initiate the process of contract drafting, you draft the contract, you get it signed, right, then you save it somewhere. So this throughout process is known as your contract management. For this thing you need lawyers who have specialty of working on the tool. There are several contract management tools now with the help of AI and several other applications. There are several contract management tools that you should be aware of, how to work on these tools, how to process contracts from these tools. Okay, so all these things will be done in contract management. Now, next is your ADR, alternative dispute resolution. We all are aware that the matters can be settled outside court as well. Two ways to resolve a dispute: one inside the court, second outside the court. Now this particular field is very much trending nowadays. Why? Because we all are aware that courts are taking ample amount of time to provide proper, justice, to provide a solution to whatever case that has been filed. So what companies try to do, they try to reach out to the ADR resolutions, ADR tribunals. These are the tribunals that have set of this thing, legal experts who are labeled as arbitrator, conciliator, negotiator, or mediator, who guide the parties in resolving their disputes amicably by way of mutual discussion between them, and their decisions are considered binding, equivalent to court as well, especially the decision of the arbitration. Okay, so you can also grow your expertise in the area of ADR. This is highly trending because no one wants to waste their time in court, and plus court litigation process is highly expensive. It is not discreet as well, right? Because once a case is filed against the company, their name is out there in the public. But benefit of ADR is that the company name remains discreet, it is not disclosed anywhere. So that's why every company nowadays prefer taking their matter to the arbitration or mediator, who can help them in resolving their matter outside court in exchange of certain consideration. Okay, are we clear with these many career prospects so far? Okay, people who are joining now, do let me know from where you are joining. Okay, so these were the basic career prospects where you can create your career. Now, let's understand about your roles and responsibilities during this 1 month internship. You'll be assigned around 2 to 3 articles. Okay, the topics will be assigned to you based on your area of interest. So, I hope this provided you clarity which career interests you more. Okay, based on that, you'll have to select your area of interest and will be assigning you with the articles. You'll be assigned with one case analysis as well. A drafting task in between as well will be assigned wherever required. Okay, but this is like this varies from internship to internship. Whatever you can see over here is not fixed that this will be there. So but mainly these type of tasks will be assigned. So maybe 2 to 3 articles are assigned to you, one video creation task is assigned, so it all depends on the requirements. So accordingly, whatever task is assigned, you'll be getting 3 to 4 days to work on that. And accordingly, you have to upload your assignments in the link that will be provided to you in the group. You have to upload over there your article. Once they are published on the website, you can have your link and you can further share it with your friends. Okay. So how the tasks are assigned, there will be an Excel sheet that will be created, one Excel sheet. You have to constantly check this sheet. The coordinator is going to update you that your task has been updated. Just visit the sheet, check what task has been assigned to you, start working on that particular topic. After 4 days your submission date will be there. Submit your article, and by the end of your internship that will be published. You'll be provided with your links and everything. Okay, so all the instructions are given to you in the WhatsApp group itself. Make sure that you're very much active over there. You're acknowledging to every messages you are receiving over there, so that the coordinators are know that yes, you are reading, you're active in your internship. I'll repeat it once again. The condition for getting your internship certificate is just very simple. You have to complete all your internship tasks. Okay. I'll just like to clarify this thing for the people. Never pay for any internship. You never have to pay anything for any internship. You don't have to pay for the certificate as well, internship certificate. Okay, so don't fall into these type of traps. Never pay for internship, never pay for internship certificate as well. Never also pay to get your article published when you have joined an organization uh, to do an internship under them, because we have received these type of concerns from our students as well, that they joined an organization under like to do an internship, and they wrote an article in that organization as well, but when it came to publish that article, the organization was asking them to pay. So don't fall into these traps. You don't have to pay to publish your article if you're joining it in form of internship, but you do have to pay like to get your research paper published or get your article published. That's a separate thing. Okay, but if you have joined an organization to do internship, don't pay to get your work published over there. All right, never pay to get your internship certificate as well, and never pay to get an internship as well. Are we clear? Just wanted to clarify this so you guys don't fall into these type of traps. Okay? No. In LeDroit India, we don't charge you anything. Your publication is free. Your internship certificate is free. All we want you to do is do the hard work. If we are inputting so much hard work on you, because we want to guide you, so you also show some dedication. You complete your tasks on time. That's all we want. Okay? Don't worry, we'll be guiding you thoroughly, like how to complete your task, what is our expectations, how you have to complete your task and everything. So now I'll take you through how you are required to write an article, because that is the one of the major tasks you'll be doing during your internship time. So a sample article will be shared with you for reference in the group, WhatsApp group itself. Okay. And this is just a brief out about what are our expectations, how your article should be structured properly and all. So basic requirement of writing articles is around 2000 words and plus. Not sure, the internship coordinator will guide you on this thing. All right, but the basic structure of article will be like this. First thing is you have to provide an introduction to your article. This is the structure of your article, because many people, they do not have proper guidance on how to start the article. You are an intern, so that's completely fine. You are in your learning stage. You can ask your doubts from the coordinator as well if you're not clear about the topic that has been assigned to you. No, don't use chat gpt or any other AI tool. Your article should be plagiarism free. Okay, so just take care of that thing, that you're not providing copy pasted content. Your content should be original. Okay, so the first thing is you have to provide an introduction to your topic. Next is there should be synopsis. What is synopsis? A brief out about what are the things you have covered in your article. Okay, once the synopsis is covered, you're going to provide your body of the article, where you're going to cover whatever things, whatever sub points you have in your mind to cover in your article, right? So let's take an example, how to file an FIR, how to file FIR. Okay, so that is my heading to the article. After the heading, I'll be having your this thing, brief introduction about the article, right? Like what is FIR. Then I'll be having synopsis, like what are the points I'm going to cover in this particular article. So it can be types of FIR, step by step process of filing FIR, electronic FIR, and all these things. Okay, so a brief pointers of what are the points I'm covering in my article. Next, there will be body. So all the sub points I mentioned, I'm going to cover them in detail in the body of the article. Then points, you have to make sure that what you're inputting in your article, so that your article looks good, well formatted, well structured and all. Make sure that you're using illustrations or any graphics, any pictures and all in your article. Okay, so for this you can take help from websites that will be sharing in the group, like from where you can create images and all. You can also create your own images using PPT and all. So just make sure that the images that you're using in the article are not from Google, because they are copyrighted content. Okay, so don't pick up any picture from Google Images and upload it in your article. That is copyrighted content. That is not legal to use. Make sure of this thing. Okay, lastly, conclusion. Once you have covered all your points, conclude your article, okay, by giving a brief conclusion. Just one thing, make sure that it is not plagiarized. You're not copy pasting the content, you're giving due credits to the owners if you're taking any particular line or any statement from any other article or anything. Are we clear with the instructions how you have to write your article? Yes, compliance officers job do have exams as well, you can check out about them. Yes, Nandini, you'll be provided with a sample article that will be shared in the internship group. Okay. So, proper instructions on your font size and all will be given to you in the group as well. I'm just briefing you out about how to write your article. Okay. Now, font style and all instruction will be given in your group. What is the expected font style, font size, and all the things. Hyperlinking, very important thing. Hyperlinking means, like, let's say if you're citing any case law, you have to hyperlink it to the source. Let's say you have read about source as in Indian Kanun, a website can be taken as your source. Okay, so let's say that you have taken any particular case law, you have to hyperlink it with that particular source. Or let's say if you have taken any statement from any particular article, again repeating, do not plagiarize your articles, keep it plagiarism free. And if you are taking any few lines, it's okay, you can mention them in the footnotes, you can give due credits to them. Okay, hi. Now is citation. Properly mention your citation along with the year from what particular case law you are taking in. Next is you have to provide your name and college in the starting of your article. Once you start, you have to mention your name and college. It will be like, this article is written by uh, XYZ name, whatever your name is. Okay, XYZ student of your college name, and then during her internship with LeDroit India. Don't worry, this format will be provided to you in the WhatsApp group as well. I'm just briefing you out. Heading and subheading, we already know. So once this article is posted, you will be provided with the link that your article has been posted. Then what's your responsibility? You have to post this article on your social media platforms, your LinkedIn mainly. While posting it on LinkedIn, tag us. Why is it important to post it on LinkedIn? Because it will showcase your work, what you have done during your internship, and so that people can come and read. It creates an impression, and this is a good time to start creating connections. Okay, you have to tag us. Reason is because so that your particular account can also grow. It is important that if you do not have a LinkedIn account, start creating one LinkedIn account, start building it up. Whatever tasks you're doing during internship, post them on the LinkedIn. Are we clear? Are we clear with the instructions how you have to do it? Okay. It is just saying post. So don't worry, you are not missing out on anything. See, it is just saying post. Okay. So that's all with regard to your article guidelines. That's all about this internship guidance. So after this particular session, we'll be sharing a link in the group where you have to fill up your details, select the career of your choice. Like if you have interest in litigation, contract drafting, intellectual property rights, whatever is your interest area, you have to select over your particular area of interest. You have to do it by the evening. Okay, so that tomorrow your tasks will be assigned to you and you can start writing your articles. Is it clear? Are everyone clear with the instructions? Okay, great, perfect. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone for joining. For the rest, the internship coordinator will update you in the internship group. Okay, so stay tuned for more. We oftenly go live in our YouTube channel as well with very much interesting topics. So you can learn from YouTube as well from us. All right, so thank you all.